What's up, guys? So swag to the wheels here. Got my car right behind me. Got a haircut, and today we're gonna be working on my car. So today I'm finally gonna take this header out and replace it with something way better. Actually, I'm not. It's just gonna be my old header that I've had for mad long. It's right here. Just gonna swap them out real quick. This one seems re-welded right there. But yeah, we're about to throw her on, and hopefully we'll get rid of a nice tapping sound that the engine has. Because the engine ticks under load. Like, I could idle it and rev it up at idle and it won't tick at all. But like under load it ticks. So basically you're just hearing the valves push some compression around, you know what I'm saying? Because the valves literally just coming, the sound of the valves just coming out of here. And guys, I don't even know like how this got all rusty like this, but let's just say it needs to be fixed. How could I forget? Got a new phone. Got the iPhone X. Hopefully you guys should see a lot more videos. Got 256 gigs, so it's gonna be lit, guys. It's gonna be lit. We got more videos coming for sure. Definitely plan on doing more work for you guys. All right, now let's just unbox this jack I got, and let's do it. Take that downpipe off. All right, so here's the new jack. I just got it from Pep Boys for 20 bucks. It was on the shelf for $35, and I would have told the guy, like, I'm not trying to pay 35. And he told me to go get it, and then he just charged me 20, and he said it was on sale, so he told me to give him a good review. I'm like, sure, yeah, give me that discount. So let's go start taking off the header. Technical difficulties. I had to get the car up in the air because the jack's too big to fit underneath the car. So first things first, I'm gonna jack the car up and then take off this terrible downpipe. Dang, my oil pan gasket needs to be changed soon too, but we'll get to that later. So let's just take off this downpipe. Gonna jack it from right over here, right there, where the bolt's missing. Let's go. See, look at that, it fits perfectly. So now, still need more room, but gotta get up in there. The bolt missing right there. Gotta get the bolt that's parallel to that one on the other side. Gotta take that one out. All right, so I just took the bolt out. A little terrible angle to get it from, but hopefully this downpipe comes off now. Oh man, this is gonna be hard. Thought I could do it with one hand, but it's about to come off though. But oh, look at that shit. What flex pipe? Oh, it doesn't want to come off. So yeah, that bolt right there. But let me get it nice zoom right there. Yeah, the bolt right there. I already took the nut off of it. I just need to wiggle it off now. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. All right, so just got the downpipe off. Just took a little finagling. But damn, look at this. Too much VTEC with this baby right now. Like, it's dented right there. I just seen it. Yeah, this thing has seen better days, but still good enough. Right, Jason? Still good enough? Man, look at how clear Jason looks. So, you know your downpipe's in good shape if it can hold itself up. So, that's the hard part. Now we just gotta take all these bolts out. Hopefully we don't have to, hopefully we can reuse the current gaskets that's on there, because I'm gonna leave the gasket relatively alone. But I have an extra gasket just in case it doesn't work out. So now we just gotta take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6, 7, 8 bolts. Okay. All right, so we just took all the bolts off. So now I just gotta take the O2 out. I believe it's 3/4. Yeah. Nope, 7/8. I already broke it loose, so that would have been a problem. If you don't break this O2 sensor loose before you do this, it's gonna be stuck in there. But luckily I was smart enough to loosen it before then. There's also one more thing I gotta do right here. I gotta undo this plug real quick, because in order to take the O2 sensor out, you gotta spin it. So actually, let's just take this out real quick. Oh, the gasket came with it. Did you say that gasket's reusable, Papa J? I don't think so. Right here, this is where it's messed up.
Let's look at that other part over here.
It's stuck on there.
That's not reusable.
What? Right there, yeah, it's a little unreusable. You can see through it right there. Can you get a good shot to see through it? Right there. So, and this shit's stuck on there. Okay, so it's not surprising that I have a leak where the bolt, I'm missing this bolt right here. So that's where it's leaking. It makes sense. Okay. Come over here real quick. Now, don't gotta reuse anything. Got this fresh one I've had for a couple months. And let's go put this on real quick. Yeah. Has to go this way. There's no other way for it to go, right? There you go. One and done. There you go. Now we just gotta put everything back in. So right now I'm gonna just remove this O2 sensor. Ooh, she's running a little lean, guys, a little lean. They say that's bad. If it's white, they say that's bad, so. Engine's about to blow up, who cares? Probably would have been easier to do it while it was still off, but who cares? The car light, alright, it's in there. Tighten it later. Find my plug. Got our plug. Plug it back in. Wait for the click. Now we'll just redo everything we just did. So start with the bolts. Put all the bolts in the same hole that they came from. Hopefully I can distinguish which is which. This one goes right there. That's two. And you guys get the idea. So when we get to the downpipe, we'll be back. All right, we're done. Got that all downpipe on. Everything's good. As you can tell, my seems to be a little warped right here. I kept tightening that. This bolt is starting to strip a little bit. So, 1, 2 need to be fixed one day. But for now, it's good enough. Let's see the downpipe real quick. Downpipe's good. Bit of a tick going, but right now it's just burning off all the shit that's down onto it sitting in the back of my car. So it's done. It's good. Just let it burn off real quick and then yeah, we're done. First time working on my car in a long time. It feels good, guys. It feels good. Hopefully more videos coming soon, guys. That's all I got. Alright, so we're here recording the sunset.
Yeah, look at that sunset. Pretty good.
Yeah, that hologram over there, right?
It's not hologram.
So just just ended the video, but I figured I would just go a little drive around the block, see if it sounds different or if I just wasted my time. But so far, it's like minutely quieter. Got a little bit of a vibration going on over here. Vibration? You feel that? That's weird. That's new. Wonder why.
Kind of always felt the vibration.
Yo, it's quiet as hell, yo. Yo, it is way quieter. It's a narco. Poppin' though, still got them pops.